Get 1000 subscribers in 3 days. I shared this method with one of my friends who just started YouTube channel. He was able to get his channel to almost 2000 subscribers within 3 days. Another of my friends also used this particular method to get her channel to over 500 subscribers within 2 to 3 days. So today I'm going to show you how you can get 1000 subscribers within 3 days with this just one method. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I was able to do on this particular channel and everything that I shared to my friend that she's still using to get her subscribers very fast. And the good thing about this particular method is that it is easy and straightforward. You don't need to crack your head before you can see results, and ensure you watch to the very end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be explaining to you exactly what to do to avoid copyright claim when you get your 1000 subscribers, and also to know if you are going to continue with this method after getting your 1000 subscribers. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share today's video to other people for them to know how to get 1000 subscribers within just 3 days. This video will help you if you are struggling to get a subscriber, if your subscriber counts are discouraging. So if you want to get your subscriber fast, this video is for you. Now let's get right to it. So this method involves the use of short videos to get 1000 subscribers within 3 days, and we are going to be getting our videos from Instagram. Yes, Instagram. The first thing we are going to do is to download Instagram video downloader from Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone you are using. So after you have downloaded your Instagram video downloader, I downloaded InstaSave at InstaSave. So now go to Instagram and open it. When you open your Instagram, click on this search icon here, then up here search any content that you want to be uploading on your YouTube channel. But it is advisable, if you are making content for a particular niche, search about the niche here and select the most viewed video. So for here now, because that my channel is going to be about AI content, so I will search for AI content. Then I'll come here and select Reels. When I select Reels, you can see from here that the first one have 14,000 views, this one have 900k plus views. So it is advisable to select from. So it is advisable to use those videos that have 500k views and above. So to download this second one that has almost 1 million views, I'll click on it. So I'll click on this share icon here, and I'll copy the link. When I copy the link, I'll now minimize and I'll go to InstaSaver and paste the link. Then I'll click on search. Now the link is loading. Now the video has loaded. I'll now click on download. Now the video has been downloaded to my phone. I'll now minimize this. I'll now go to here. I'll now go to YouTube and click on this plus sign here. When I click on this plus sign here, I'll click here. Then I'll select the video I downloaded.
Here is my number one prompt.
So now I don't want this video to start from the beginning. I'll just trim it like 1 second here from the beginning. After 3 minutes 1 second, then I'll click on done. When I click on done, I have to click on this good icon here.
One prompt.
Now I have to add sound because I don't want it to carry the sound from Instagram. I'll click on add sound here, and you check the one that has the most shots. For here now, this friendship has 15 million shots. Matter have 2.k shots. Somewhere only we know have 1.9 million shots. I'll select the first one. Now to reduce the audio volume of the sound, I'll click on this audio icon here. I will drop the sound volume to 40%. This add text, I'll click here. I will now write what the video is all about. I'll write best prompt or best ChatGPT prompt for unlimited content ideas. I'll now click done. For here now, I will now highlight the text to drag it up. I want it to be at the top of the video. I'll now click next. Now they say caption your shot. I'll just put the same thing that I put on top of the video. Best ChatGPT prompt for unlimited content ideas. Then I now put the hashtag free AI, hashtag AI generator, just any hashtag at all that is related to the shot, related to the content you are creating. Hashtag tag, just add any hashtag that you think is okay for the video. Then for here now, I'll select audience. I'll say no, it's not made for kids. I'll click on related video. Now I can add videos that I want to be promoting with this shot. One of the things that is very okay with this method is that you can as well through this short promote other long form videos. So I'll select any of this video, then I'll click on upload short. So after you have uploaded the short video, the next thing to do is to upload 10 shots a day and make sure the short videos is catchy videos. And this method can be applied to any niche. For example, if you are into AI niche, you can find all those reels that have millions of views on Instagram and post it on your channel using this method. The reason is that the subscribers you'll be getting will be the people that have interest on the AI to niche, and this method is applicable to any other niche. And if you upload 10 to 15 videos in a day and those videos are catchy, you do exactly all these things that I shared here, there is no way you are going to be getting copyright, and there is no way you are going to be getting flagged through your short, because the short is already assumed to be your own, and there is no way you are not going to be getting subscribers in a day. You can even meet up to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, it is very possible. I have tested it and it worked. Then after getting the 1,000 subscribers and you reach your 2,000 subscribers, this is what I want you to do. Once you have gotten your 2,000 subscribers, the next thing you should do is to go ahead and private all those shots or delete all those shots from your channel. This is because if you keep those shorts on your channel, they will continue to bring in subscribers. And one disadvantage with those subscribers that those shorts will bring is that most people will not be interested in your long form videos if they come from those short videos. Now, after deleting or privating the shorts, the next thing is to focus on the 4,000 watch hour if you want to get your channel monetized. Then what I want you to do now is upload your videos so that you can actually grow that channel. Now with your videos, you will be getting more subscribers that will watch your long form videos that will help you reach the 4,000 watch hour fast. Another advantage why you should focus on creating your own long form video is because long form video pays more than short. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you haven't subscribed, please do it right now and comment down below, and don't forget to share this video. In 3 days, you are going to be getting your 1,000 subscribers, and I will wait for your testimony. Thank you guys.